Welcome to our laboratory, the cradle of organic pigments. We are committed to creating the best quality pigment products through precision testing and data analysis. Here, scientists work around the clock to break through technological bottlenecks and drive innovation, and are committed to providing high-quality additives and pigment solutions to the global market. Our pigments are not only colorful and long-lasting, they are also extremely stable and safe. Discover the science of organic pigments. The water solubility test is a key step in our process of testing the solubility of pigment powders in water. We will sample different types of organic pigment powders, add an appropriate amount of water, and observe their dissolution. Through data logging, we will analyze the dissolution rate and solubility of each pigment to assess its potential for use in waterborne coatings. Through this experiment, we can ensure that the pigments will perform as desired in various applications. Next is the water emulsification experiment. In this part, we add a certain amount of pigment powder to the emulsifier, mix it using a high-speed stirrer, observe the emulsification effect, and record the data. We will observe the stability of the emulsion through a microscope and test the dispersion and stability of the pigment powder in the emulsification system through the experiment, which is crucial to ensure the homogeneity of the product and its stability over a long period of time. The vibration and bubble elimination experiment simulates the vibration of the pigment in the process of use and observes whether the bubbles generated are easy to dissipate, which has a direct impact on the surface effect and application stability of the paint. Pigment samples are put into a vibrator. Specific vibration parameters are set and vibration is started. During the vibration process, the generation and dissipation of bubbles in the pigment solution are observed, and the experimental results are recorded in detail. By analyzing the data, we will evaluate the effectiveness of the pigments in the coating and printing industry, ensuring that the final coating has a smooth and flawless surface. The data from each experiment is the key to improving the quality of our products. Through fine-grained data analysis, we continuously optimize our pigment formulations to ensure that we provide our customers with products of the highest standard. Quality testing is our last line of defense for the quality of our products. Through professional equipment and strict testing standards, we ensure that every batch of organic pigment powder meets the high-quality requirements, providing customers with stable and reliable products. Our mission is to provide our customers with the most trusted and high-quality organic pigments through science and technology. To learn more about organic pigments, please contact us.